Thanks for stopping by the Tom Auto channel. Today we have another episode of Tool Time Tommy, and we're going to be showing you how to remove the dowel, alignment dowel, out of your block. Let's take a look. Well, one of the first things you're going to want to do is find a tap that is going to be able to cut threads inside your alignment dowel. Now on this V10, it just happens to be a half 13. And you can kind of see here, we've cut these threads all the way down and we're ready to remove it. Let's see how we do it. Okay, once we have the threads cut, we come up with a sleeve that's going to go right over the dowel. We've got a bolt and a washer. We start our bolt, we kind of run it down even like that. And then we grab Team Tom Auto, my 3/8 DeWalt, and let's get her done. There you go, that easy. Now, it's just as easy to reinstall. Transfer it, leave it just like it is. Get it started. Tap it back into place and remove your bolt. And that's all there is to it. You're going to need those alignment bolts or alignment dowels, and never leave one out. And try not to use, if you don't have to, use pliers. You'll distort them, you'll put rough marks, and you'll have a hell of a time aligning it into your transmission. So I hope this helps somebody out. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And continue to follow us as we do this 03 excursion for Sam Corey. You all have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.